Here is an idea of how you can live a happy life. You see, when you travel, there are a lot of things that you don't know the outcome of. So, a lot of the times you just make guesses of what the outcome of a certain action or direction would be. Now, here's the problem. A lot of the times we do the same pattern when we are living life. We create expectations that if I do A, B, C, then I would definitely reach D. But the problem with life is that it is very uncertain. And that expectation versus the reality of life creates dissatisfaction. So, why not today do what I have learned to do recently? Replace your expectations with curiosity. Just be curious about what will happen next instead of deciding that you will expect certain things to happen. Be curious today.